Hello friends, in this video we will be studying about the optimal binary search trees. This is also another problem which can be solved by the dynamic programming. So before studying what is optimal binary search tree, let us see first what is binary search tree. A binary tree is called as a binary search tree when the elements on the left side of a root node are less than the root node and right side are greater than the root node. So consider any root in a tree, its corresponding left subtree will be less than the root node and the right subtree's value will be greater than the root node. So left side less than, right side greater than. So this type of tree is called as a binary search tree. Where do we use this binary search tree? Suppose we are going to search for any element, that time we are going to construct a binary tree out of the elements, then find the key there, because it will become very easy to search. Suppose I am searching now 20, so I will compare. Suppose I am going to search the key element as 20. I will compare this 20 with the root node first. 20 is greater than the root node. Greater value will be on the right side. So directly I will go to the left side, avoiding the complete right side. Therefore it becomes very easy for searching of a key elements using this binary search tree. Then let us see now how many binary search trees can be possible for n number of keys here. So here I have taken 3 keys. N is equal to 3, that is 10, 20 and 30. How these trees can be organized? See here, it can be organized like 10. If we consider first 10, 20 next greater than 20, so on the right side, 30 greater than 20, so on the right side. So next one here, second one. So if I consider 10 first, then 30 on the right side, then 20 is less than 30, so on the left side of 20. So like this if I consider, I am going to get 5 organization of trees when n is equal to 3 here. When n equal to 3, I have got these 5 types of tree organization. All are binary search trees. Now let us see how many comparisons do we require for each of this organization. Suppose I am going to search 10 here, it requires 1 comparison. If I am searching 20, it requires 2 comparisons, because first I am comparing it with 10, it is not matching. So next I am going to compare with 20. So 2 comparisons will be required here. For 30, if you are searching, 3 comparisons. For 10 ones, 20 and 30. So 3 comparisons will be required. Same for this one also. For the secondary organization, if I am searching for 10, only 1 comparison. If I am searching for 30, it requires 2 comparisons. If I am searching for 20, then it requires 3 comparisons. This organization, suppose if I am searching for 20, it requires only 1 comparison. If I am searching for 10, then it requires 2 comparison. If I am searching for 30, that time also it requires 2 comparisons. If I am searching for 30, first it will be comparing with 20. 30 is greater than 20, so it will search on the right side. So only 2 comparisons are required, and same thing for the 10 also. So this is the height balanced binary search tree where 2 comparisons are required. Here also we require 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3 we require. Basically you can see seeing the different tree organizations, we can understand that the number of comparisons depends upon the height of a tree. Here height is balanced here. Here everywhere we are having height as a 3, but here we are having a height as 2 here. So that is why, so here less number of comparisons are required. So depending upon the number of comparisons, average number of comparisons I have found out here. For the first tree organization, 3 comparisons are required. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. So we are going to get that 2. For all the organizations we are going to get 2 here. Only for this height balanced tree we are going to get less number of comparisons. Only when the keys are given without anything else data, that time depending only on this is the less comparison taking organization. Okay, so this tree organization takes only 2 comparisons for searching a key element. So you may say that this is an optimal binary tree here. So optimal means what? Less. Okay, the less number, the tree which takes less number of comparisons for searching a tree, that tree is called as an optimal binary search tree. Now depending upon this, we can understand that this takes only 2 comparisons, so this is a optimal binary search tree. So in general, if you are having n number of keys, then how many organizations of tree is possible? So 2n cn divided by n plus 1 binary search trees are possible. So for 3 keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 organizations are possible. Now you can see here n is equal to 3. I am going to substitute that here. So after substituting, what I am going to get here? 6c3 divided by 4, that is 5. So 5 tree organization I have got here when n is equal to 3. Like that, when n increases, number of organizations of tree also increases. So this is the basics when only the keys are given. Suppose the frequency of that key is given. Okay, suppose the frequency of search of that key is given. Like for example, 10 is searched 3 times. 20 is searched 2 times, 30 is searched 5 times. Who is searched more? 30 is searched many number of times, 20 is searched only 2 number of times, and 10 is searched 3 number of times. This case, we are specifying the frequencies of each of these key values. What will be the cost that time of searching, or what will be the cost of comparisons here? Now you can see here. So in this organization here, so here in this organization, 1 it requires. What is the frequency of 10? Frequency of 10 is 3 here. So 1 into 3 here. Then 20, what is the frequency? 22 is searched for 2 times. So 2 into 2. 3, this 30, key number 3 is searched for 5 times. So 3 into 5. So totally I have got 22. Second organization. So this tree organization, 1 into, what is the frequency of 10? It is 3. So 1 into 3 here. Next 2 into 2 here. Sorry, 2. Next is 30. 30 is 5 times. So 2 into 5 is the next one. Next 20 is how many times? 2. So 3 into 2. Totally 19 times we are going to get. Like that, if we are given the frequencies of each of the keys, how many times they have been searched, then finding out the cost of this searching and comparing, I have found out here. That time we can see that 4th tree organization has got only 17 as its value, that is cost of searching. So this is the less among all. Now 3rd tree means this one here. Sorry, 4th tree means this tree is the optimal binary search tree. See, even though it is not height balanced, we can say that this is optimal binary search tree when these frequency are specified. So there is no restriction that the tree with only the height balanced is a optimal binary search tree. So it is only dependent upon the cost, how much we are going to get for searching. So the lowest cost tree itself is the optimal binary search tree here. Okay. So now, having understood this basic concept, let us work on one example and find out the cost of searching here. So the given example, find the optimal binary search tree for the given frequencies and keys. So here 4 number of keys are given, 10, 20, 30 and 40, and their corresponding frequencies are given here. So 10 is searched for 4 times, and 20 2 times, 30 for 6 times, and 40 for 3 times. So these are the frequencies which are specified here. For that, first we have to draw a table. So in that table, how many trees? See, key values is beginning from 1, 2, 3, 4, but in our table we have to start from 0. Okay, so just to match with the formula, we are starting with the 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 4, actually it is 5 by 5 matrix we have to draw. Then we have to go on considering 0 number of keys, 1 number of key, 2 number 3 number and 4 keys. So if we are considering 0 keys, what will be the cost? If we are considering only 1 key, what is the cost? So like that we are going to find out. So I have filled this table after solving the complete sum. So one by one we will see how to fill that. So if I consider first keys is equal to 0, means I am taking here one variable L. L should be 0. L is given by j minus I. So L is given by j minus I. So j minus I should be 0. So when do we get this? See, these are I, rows is indicated by I and columns are indicated by j value. Okay, so rows are indicated by I value and columns are indicated by j value here. So j minus I value should be 0. So when do I get the value of j minus I as 0? So if it is 0 minus 0, it gives me a 0, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3 and 4 minus 4. For all these pairs of I and j, I am going to get a 0 here, is it not? So now how do we calculate the cost? The cost is given by C of I comma j. Okay, the cost is given by C of I comma j. Now here I am considering, see, this L will tell you the number of keys which you have to consider for the tree organization. In each step we are going to find out the different tree organizations and find out their costs of them. So just now we have found out for these 5 tree organizations the cost we have calculated here. Like that one by one we are taking here. First we are considering 0 keys, 1 key, 2 keys, like that. Okay, so when we are not considering any keys, what will be the cost? Obviously it will be a 0. Is it not? So when we are not considering any keys itself, which key to search then? There are no keys. So cost of that will be 0 here. So now j minus I. How can we write here? C of ij. I will indicate the row, j will indicate the column. So this will be C of 0, 0. This will be C of 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. All these will be equal to 0. Because I am not considering any key, cost of all these will be 0. So I am filling those here as 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 4. Diagonal elements will be filled with 0. This is completing the first step now. Okay, in the next step, now 0 elements are over. Next I am going to consider one key element I am going to consider. Means what? J minus I is equal to 1. L is equal to 1 means key values should be 1. I am considering only one key at a time here. Either it is 10, either 20 or 30 or 40. One at a time I am going to consider and finding out the cost of that tree organization. So I want the value as 1. When these values can be 1 here? So these values j minus I can be 1 when 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 4 minus 3 is 1. See, you have to understand why I am taking only till 4 minus 3. I can take 5 minus 4 as 1. Is it not? But is there a 5 in my matrix here? Not there. So I am stopping at here itself. There are only 4 rows and 4 columns here. That is why I am stopping here only. So this is j and this is I. So it will be C of 0, 1, C of ij. So I comes first. This is I and this is j here. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4. So I have to find the cost of next which one, that is. So already I have filled this table, so it might be confusing. So we'll start filling as and when. Now new table I have taken. We will solve here and fill in this table. So now we have finished with the diagonal elements. Next we have to find here what? C of 0, 1 means C of 0, 1. Next 1, 2, 1, 2. These elements we have to fill now here. So these elements, diagonally we go on filling the elements here. So let us see how to find the cost of those. So now here C of 0, 1. So here we had to find here cost of 0, 1 here. So 0, 1 means what? It indicates neglect till 0th elements and consider only first element. Neglect till 0 and consider only the first key element. So we don't have any 0 in our keys, is it not? We are directly provided with the key number 1 itself. So neglect 0 means leave that one and consider the first key. What is our first key? First key is 10 here. What is its frequency? Its frequency is 4. So that is why the cost is 4 here. Okay, so leave the 0th till, neglect till 0. We don't have a 0 in our problem, so leave that and consider the first key element. See, L is equal to 1 means we have to consider only one element here. So leave this 0th key, consider the first key, that is 10. Its frequency is 4. So that is why C of 0, 1 is 4. So C of 0, 1 is 4 we have got here. Next, C of 1, 2. So C of 1, 2. What does this mean? Neglect till first element. Consider only the second element. Neglect till the first element means we are neglecting this 10 and consider second element is how much? 20. See, the first digit in all these cost indicate the neglecting side, and the second key indicates the key which we have to consider. So now I am neglecting till 1 and considering only 2. Second key means what? 20. Its frequency is 2. So C of 1, 2 is 2 here. So C of 1, 2 here is 2. Okay, next one, C of 2, 3 we have to find here. C of 2, 3. So C of 2, 3 means first number indicates neglecting. So neglect till 2 and consider only third key. So we are going to neglect the 2 keys. Whatever 2 keys are there, we are going to neglect these 2 key and consider only the third key. So third key is what? 30. Its frequency is given as 6. So the cost of 2, 3 is 6. So cost of 2, 3 is 6 we have found out. Next one, we have to find the cost of 3, 4. So 3, 4 means what? So neglect up to 3 key elements and consider only the fourth element. Fourth element is 40 and its frequency is given as 3 here. So C of 3, 4 is 3 here. So C of 3, 4 is 3. So this completes your second step here. So now we have finished when L is equal to 0 and when L is equal to 2. Next we are going to see these elements when L is equal to 2. Okay, so when L is equal to 2 means what? How many keys should be considered? 2 keys should be considered. Which 2 keys? Let us see now. So L is 2. L is 2 means J minus I value should be 2. When do I get the J minus I value as 2? If it is 2 minus 0, 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. All these values will give me a result 2. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 1 is also 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have to find the cost of Ij. I is this one. So 0, 2, cost of 1, 3 and cost of 2, 4. So these are the values we have to find out. So first 0, 2 here. So I am getting 0, 2. What does this 0, 2 tell you? Neglect 0 till 0 and consider 2 keys. See here L is equal to 2 means we are considering 2 keys. Okay. So we have to neglect the 0 till 0 and consider 2 keys. Starting 2 keys. Which are starting 2 keys? 10 and 20. See, before 1 here we are having 0. So neglect till 0 and consider the 2 keys they are saying. So 10 and 20 are my 2 keys. See why I am considering 10 and 20 here. Here I had considered only one element because L is equal to 1. Here L is equal to 2. So I am considering 2 key elements. So when 2 key elements are present, what is the different tree organization we can get? So we can get only 2 organizations like this. If I take 10 as the root, 20 will come on the right side. So in a binary search tree, what I told you, the root right side will be the greater elements, left side will be the smaller elements. So if I consider 10 as the root, that time 20 will come on its right side. Suppose if I consider 20 as the root element, then 10 means it is lesser than 20, so it is coming on the left side. So these are the two elements. Here key number 1 is the root element, here key number 2 is the root element. So this 1 and 2 are indicating the key numbers, 10 and 20 are indicating the key values. Okay, so here, so now we have to find the cost of this tree and find the cost of this tree also. For that we are having a formula. So what formula, which is the minimum among these two, we have to find out. So minimum of, so we have to consider this one complete tree, this also complete tree. So now left side plus right side plus the total frequencies, this is our formula for one tree organization. Left side tree, right side tree plus the total frequency we have to consider. Left side, right side plus total. See, W will indicate the total frequency from I to J. I to J means whichever we are finding the cost, that itself will be your I to J here. So W is indicating, see, W of I comma J means it is the summation from I to J frequencies. Okay, from I to J. Now here I value is 0, J value is 2. So starting from 0th key up to 2 keys. 0 means 0 is not there. So we are taking from 1 and 2. What are its frequencies? 4 plus 2. Summation of F means when I is equal to 1, so I am having 4. When I will become 2, I am having 2. So 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, that is 6 is the value of W of Ij. Understanding? So W of Ij means it is giving you the total summation of the frequencies of the keys which we are considering. Okay, then how to represent a key? This is also very important here to solve the sum. How you are going to represent a key here? So as I told you here, neglecting and considering, that is what you have to understand. So now here on the left side, consider this tree now. Okay, on the left side there is nothing. Okay, there is no node here. What is this? This is first key, is it not? How can you represent this first key? C of neglect till 0 and consider the first element. What is our first element? 10 itself. So neglect till 0, consider the first element. Like this you have to write here. How to write for 20? Neglect till first key. Leave the first key. First key is what here? First key is 20. So leave the first key. So leave the first key and consider only the second key. Okay. Suppose you are having like this now. Suppose you are having suppose you are having a 10, 20 and 30. Like this you are having. So how to represent this 10 here? 10 will be represented as same. Consider the, neglect the till 0 and consider the first key. Now on the right side, see left side nothing is there. So left side value, what value this you are having? You are having here 1, no? So you can write 1 less than that, 0, 0, or you can write 1, 1, C of 1, 1, or you can write C of 0, 0. Same element, see here. For same element we are having all zeros, no? C of 0, 0 is 0, 1, 1 is 0, 2, 2 is 0, 3, 3 is 0. Like that you can write here. If this is 1 here, you can write 1, 1, or you can write 0, 0. Means what value will be here, that same value you can take here, or less than that value you can take on the left side. Okay, and when there is no key on the right side, when there are no keys on the right side, what value you are having here? Here this is 2, so you can take here 2, 2, or you can take here 3, 3. Okay, so like this you are going to represent this one. Okay, so this one I was explaining that how do you represent. See, left side nothing is there, so this is key number 1. So here I have taken 1, 1. Obviously it is 0, so it doesn't matter if you take 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, anything. But here 1 is there, so I am taking here 1. You can take 0 also. On the right side, see, left side, right side and sum of the frequencies. Left side is over. Right side I am having 2 keys. Is it not? Right side I am having 2 keys. How do you consider these 2 keys? I want to write 20 and 30. How do I write? Neglect the first keys and consider the till third key. Neglect the first key and consider till 3 means neglecting first key 2 and 3. So this is how you are representing on the right side. Okay, so neglect the first key, consider second and third. So you are writing here 3. Suppose one more is there here, 20, 30, 40. So you have to write 20, 30, 40. So here 4 will come. Neglect the first key, consider other till 4 keys here. So like this you are going to represent a key here. So for this formula what you are going to get here is the left side plus right side and the sum of its frequencies that you have to write. So let us find this one now. Having understood this one, so 0, 2. C of 0, 2, how can I find out? 0, 2, we have to find the minimum of these two trees here. So minimum of these two, for this tree, for the first tree. What is left side? Since this is 1. This is first element. On the left side I can take 0, 0 or I can take 1, 1. Okay. Right side. On the right side what I am having? 20. How do I represent 20? Neglect the first term and consider only the second key term. Okay. So this is 1, 2. Left side plus right side plus W of ij. So ij is what here? 0, 2. Means what? 0, 2 means what? Neglect till 0 and consider 1 and 2. Since L is equal to 2 here, 2 keys should be considered. Okay. So 1 and 2. So what is the frequency of the first term? 4. Second term is 2 here. So what I am taking here? 0, W of 0, 2. That W of 0, 2 is 4 plus 2 here. Okay. Next, C of 0, 0. See what is our C of 0, 0? 0, 0 is 0 plus 1, 2. What is 1, 2 is 2 here. So plus 2. And W of 0, 2 I am writing this one. Here also for this tree organization over. Next, for this tree organization, who is the root here? Root is the second key element. Okay. And on the left side, so what is there on the left side here? On the left side 10 is there. How do I represent 10? Neglect the 0th key and consider only the first key. So like this I am writing on the left side. Right side, there is nothing on the right side, so it is a 0. How do I write a 0? So this is 2. So here 2, 2 I can write. So C of 2, 2. If you write anything there, but its value should be 0. 3, 3 also you can write. 4, 4 also you can write. But its value should be 0. Plus the W of ij. W of ij means W of 0, 2. That is nothing but 4 plus 2 here. So C of 0, 1 here. So Z of 0, 1 is 4. So I have written 4. 2, 2 is 0. And this is 4 plus 2. This value 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Here also 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Which is minimum? 8 is minimum. So I have got here C of 0, 2 as 8. C of 0, 2 as 8 here. Let me fill here C of 0, 2 as 8. This 8 has come from which term? It has come from the first term. First term is represented by the first tree organization. Who is the root of this first tree? 1. So here I am writing 1 is the root. 1 means first term. First key is the root of this value here. Why we have to find the root? At the last step we will understand about that one. So now onwards from 2 up to here we are going to write the root node who is giving me the minimum value. Okay, root node is 1. 1 means 1 is not the root here. First key is the root. First key is 10. 10 is the root. It means like that. Okay, so done. Next one, C of 1, 3 here. Next we are going to find C of 1, 3. So C of 1, 3. What does C of 1, 3 indicate? Neglect the first term and consider till 3. So how many keys you have to consider here? 2 keys I have to consider. Neglect the first term and consider till 3. So neglect the first term, consider till 3 here means 20 and 30. So I am having the key values as 20 and 30. So with this 20 and 30, what are my tree organizations? So this is my tree organization here. So 20 is the root, 30 is greater than, so on the right side. If I take 30 as the root, 20 is less than 30, so it will come on the left side. So here second key is the root and here third key is the root here. So now what I have to do here, for this tree organization I have to write the formula, and for this tree organizations also formula. Minimum of this tree I have to find out. So let us see here how it is happening. So C of 1, 3, C of 1, 3 is minimum of left for this first tree. Left side I don't have anything, so it is a 0 here. Which value can give me a 0? Since it is 2 here, I am taking 1, 1, or you can take 2, 2 also. That also will give you a 0 only. So C of 1, 1. On the right side is 30. How do you represent 30? C of neglect the till second term and consider only the third term. Neglect till second terms means 2 keys you are going to neglect. Neglect the 2 terms 10 and 20 and consider only 30. So it is C of 2, 3 here. Plus what it is, left side plus right side plus total frequency. So now I am having here total frequency W of ij. What is my ij? 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, this term is of first tree organization. Second tree organization, now left side. On the left side I am having 20. How do you represent 20? Neglect the first term and consider only the second term. So 10 is neglected, only 20 is considered. Right side nothing is there. Here 3, 3 is there, 3 is there. So you can take here 3, 3 or even 4, 4, anything. Its value should be 0. Left side plus right side plus the W of ij. So W of ij is 1, 3 here. So now we have written the terms of both left side and right side here. So let us find the minimum. So to find the minimum, C of 1, 1 is 0, C of 2, 3. So C of 2, 3 is 6. So I have written here 6. And W of 1, 3 means neglect the first term and consider till 3. Consider till 3. Now please don't understand that neglect the first term and consider only third term. No. Here L is equal to 2. L is equal to 2 means 2 keys I have to consider here. So neglect the first term and consider till 3. Neglect this first term and consider till 3, that is 20 and 30. What are the frequencies of 20 and 30? 2 and 6. So W of ij will be 2 plus 6. So 2 plus 6 here. Here also W of ij 2 plus 6 here. C of 1, 2 here. So C of 1, 2 is how much? 2 here. Plus 3, 3 is 0. W of I this 1. So here I have summed it to 14. This is 10. Which is minimum? 10. So C of 1, 3 is giving me 10 here. So this 10 is got from which minimum? It has got from the second tree. So second means what? It is second tree organization. In second tree organization, who is the root node? Third key element. So let us fill this here. C of 1, 3. C of 1, 3 is how much? 10. Who is the root here? In this second tree organization, 30 is the root. So third key element will be my root here. So I have filled this one. This is over. So next, which is remaining here? So now here 0, 2 is over, 1, 3 is over. Next 2, 4. So C of 2, 4 I have to find. What does C of 2, 4 mean? Neglect till second key values and consider till 4. Okay, neglect first 2. So neglect first 2 means first 2, 10 and 20 are neglected. Consider till 4 means 30 and 40. So key values will be here 30 and 40. So with 30 and 40, these are the 2 tree organization I have got. Again for this 2 tree organization, find the minimum here. So how to find the minimum? For the first tree organization, let us see here. Left side plus right side plus the W of ij, that is summation of its frequencies. So left side is 0. Since it is 30, 3 is there. I can take here 2, 2 or 3, 3. So C of 2, 2 is been taken. Anyways, it will be 0 only. So on the right side, I am having 40. How do you represent a 40? neglect till 3 key values and consider only the fourth key. Neglect till 3 key values 10, 20, 30 should be neglected and consider only the fourth key. Left side over, right side over plus w of ij. W of ij is 2, 4. Next, for this tree organization, left side I am having 30. How do I represent 30? Neglect till second term and consider only the third term. So, neglect 10 and 20 and consider only third term. Third term that is 30. Right side nothing is there. Here 4 is there. So, here I can take 4, 4 plus w of ij, that is same as this one, w of ij. Next, 2, 2 is 0. C of 3, 4. So, what is C of 3, 4? 3, 4 is 3 here. Yes. Next, w of 2 plus 2 to 4 means what? Neglect the first two terms and consider till 4. So, consider 3 and 4 now here. What are the frequencies? 6 plus 3. So, here I am having 6 plus 3. Here also 6 plus 3. For this w of ij also 6 plus 3 we are going to get here. So, minimum of this one will be 12. So, 12 I have got from the first term. First term means first tree organization. So, what is the root node of this first tree organization? Third key element. So, C of 2, 4. C of 2, 4 is how much? It is 12. Who has given me the root here? Root is given by third key element. So, we have finished with this step also now. Next, let us consider when n is equal to 3. L is equal to 3 means we have to consider 3 key elements there. Okay, 3 key elements. When do I get L is equal to 3? So, I will get L is equal to 3 when it is 4 minus 1 and 3 minus 0. So, what values I have to find? I have to find C of 1, 4 and C of 0, 3 here. So, C of 1, 4. So, now I am considering 3 key elements. So, what does this term mean? Neglect up to first term and consider till 4 terms. So, what will be the key values? Neglect the first term, consider till 4th term. So, you have to consider second, third and 4th. So, 20, 30, 40. So, the keys I am going to consider here is 20, 30 and 40. So, for this 20, 30 and 40, what are my possible trees? So, these are my possible trees. 5 trees are possible using that one. Now, 5 trees are there. So, 5 terms will not be there. Okay. Why? Because when 20 is the root and this also 20 is the root, these two organizations are considered same. Then 40 is the root. Here also 40 is the root. These two organizations are considered same. So, this is one term. So, always there will be 3 terms only here. Okay. 20, 20 this is considered as one part. This 40, 40 is considered also as one tree and this is a third element. So, we can write these elements considering 20 as root, 30 as root and 40 as root. So, if you write one representation of this tree, it will be same for this also. Okay. So, no need of writing that again and again. So, here what we are having? So, here what we are having here? So, let us write the values here. So, we have to find what here? We have to find 1, 4 first. So, for finding 1, 4 here, minimum of. So, what is this? We are considering 1, 2 and 3. These 3 organization which 20, 30 and 40 as the root values. So, now here how do I write? Left side plus right side plus w of ij. Okay. What is left side? There is nothing here. So, it should be a 0. So, to represent 0 how do we write? This is 2 here. If I take 1, 1 also fine. 2, 2 also fine. So, I am taking here C of 1, 1. Right side. On the right side I am having 2 elements 30 and 40. I want to neglect 10 and 20 and consider only 30 and 40. How do I write here? Neglect the 2 terms, consider till 4 terms. So, C of 2, 4. Okay. Left side, right side plus W of ij. W of ij is 1, 4. Next, for this tree organization. On the left side I am having 20. Is it not? How do I represent 20? I want only 20 here. So consider, neglect till first term, neglect this first term and consider only the second term. So this is 20. Right side I want 40. How do I write 40? Neglect the first 3 terms and consider only the 40. So 3 terms you are neglecting and consider only the 4th term. Plus W of ij means W of ij is 1, 4. For this one, on the left side I am having 20 and 30. On the left side of this tree, 20 and 30. How to write 20 and 30? Neglect the first term and consider only second and third. So neglect the first term, consider till 3. On the right side nothing, so here 4, you can take 4, 4. W of ij is as it is. Now let us fill this one. 1, 1 is 0, 2, 4. So what we have got here? 2, 4. 2, 4 is 12. So 2, 4 is 12. Next, W of ij. W of ij means what? Neglect the first frequency and consider till 4. So neglect the first frequency and consider till 4. So 2 plus 6 plus 3. This W is indicating the frequencies. Okay. So 2 plus 6 plus 3. Everywhere W of ij, 2 plus 6 plus 3 only I am writing. Next, C of 1, 2 here is 2. C of 1, 2 is 2 here. Plus C of 3, 4. 3, 4 is 3 here. Plus W of ij. So in these all 23, 16 and 21, 16 is the minimum. 16 means it is coming from the second term. Second term means second tree organization. Here 30 is the root one. So what? C of 1, 4. C of 1, 4 is C of 1, 4 is how much? 16, and I am getting it from the 3. 30, so third key element is the root there. Okay, so after finishing there 1, 4, next I am having 0, 3. So C of 0, 3. For C of 0, 3 means what does it mean? It means that neglect the 0 terms, means before, and consider till 3. So 10, 20, 30. So 10, 20 and 30 I am considering. Again for that 5 tree organizations I am going to get here. So for that 5 tree organizations, so we will write the terms again. Even though we are having 5 trees, 5 terms will not be there. 10 and 10 roots, this will be considered one part. 30 and 30, this will be considered one part, and this is the other part. So for this I am writing. So the first organization, left side nothing is there. So here 1, 1, 1 I am taking. So C of 1, 1 I am taking here. Next, on the right side I am having 20 and 30. How do I represent this 20 and 30? So what I am going to do here? Neglect the first term and consider till 3. That is, I am representing the plus W of ij is 0, 3 here. Same on the left hand side, this tree organization 10. How do we represent 10? Neglect 0 and consider the first term. 30. How to represent this 30? Neglect till 2 and consider the third term. W of ij is 0, 3 here. This tree organization. On the left side I am having 10 and 20. How do you represent 10 and 20? Neglect till 0 and consider the 2 elements. On the right side nothing is there. Here 3 is there, so here you can take 4, 4 or 3, 3 here. Plus 0 of W of 0, 3. Now put the values here. 0, 0 is 0. 1, 3 is 10. From this table 1, 3 is 10. Next W of 0, 3. W means frequency. Frequency, what does it say? Find the summation from neglect 0 from 1 to 3. So from 1 to 3, 4 plus 2 plus 6. 4 plus 2 plus 6. Like this I am going to substitute the value, and minimum is 20. 20 is got from the third one means this tree. So 3 is the tree there. So 0, 3. So 0, 3 value is how much? 20. Who is the root there? Third key element is the root. So now we have finished this one. Next L is equal to 3 is over. Now we are going to get L is equal to 4. So when L is equal to 4, j minus I value should be 4. So I am having only one combination there. 4 minus 0 is 4. So how we have to find C of 0 comma 4. So to find C of 0 comma 4, I have to consider here 4 elements. Sorry, I have to consider here 4 elements. 4 elements are which one? 10. 0 comma 4 means all 4 you have to consider. Neglect 0 and consider 4. 10, 20, 30 and 40. There are many tree organizations possible with 4. But here we are having only this one with 10 root, another with 20, another with 30 and with 40. So we are going to write the 4 terms here for all these organization. Here left side nothing is there. Right side we are having 20, 30, 40. Left side 0 comma 0. Right side neglect the first term and consider till 4 terms. Okay, plus W of 0 comma 4. Here 10 is there. Neglect the 0 term, consider the first term. 30 and 40 means neglect till second and consider fourth. So for here 10 and 20, neglect 0 and consider 2 terms. 40, neglect 3 terms, then consider only 4th term. Like this we are writing here, substituting the values which we have got, and the minimum got here is 26. 26 is from the third term, 3 is the root value. So 0 comma 4 is 26. Who is the root there? Root is 3. So same terms we have got here, which I have filled this table, same terms I have got here. So now here the problem is not still over. We have to find the optimal binary search tree for the given key values. How many values are there? 4 are there. So for that let us see optimal binary search tree of 0 comma, considering all elements, is it not? How to consider all elements? 10, 20, 30, 40. Neglect till 0 and consider all 4 elements, that is 0 of C of 0 comma 4. So R of 0 root, R means root, okay, root of 0 comma 4. So now root of 0 comma 4, 3 is the root here, is it not? 3 means 30, okay, 3 means 30 here. You can see 3 means 30 is the root. So I have taken here 30 is the root here. So then go to the so 30 will become the root here. Next after going to 1 is over now, okay. So one term is over. Remaining is what? R of 0 comma 2 here. So add 0 comma 2. Who is the root here? 1 is the root. So now 30 is over. Here we are having 10 and 20. Here 40. So 2 elements are remaining on the left side. How can I write these 2 elements? Neglect the 0 terms and consider the first 2 terms. So 0 comma 2. How can I write this 40? Neglect the third term and take the fourth term. Okay. So in 0 comma 2. Let us go in 0 comma 2. I am having 8. Who is the root there? 1 is the root here. So 10 will become the root here. So when 10 is also over, left side of 10 is nothing, so 0 comma 0. Right side I am having only one element, that is 20. Okay, so then this one 3 comma 4. So 3 comma 4 here. So 3 comma 4, who is the key root element? 4. Fourth means 40. So how I am having the tree here? 30 and here 10, 20 and 40. I'll explain this once again here. So when I have got 0 comma 4, considering all elements 0 comma 4, so 26, its root is 3. 30 is the root. So 30 is already become the root. Which are remaining? Less than this are 10 and 20. Greater than this are is 40 here. So now how can I write this 10 and 20? So neglect 0 terms and consider till 2. How can I write this 40? Neglect the 3 terms and consider only the 4th term here. Okay. So let us go for 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2, 1 is the root. 1 means 10 here. Okay. So which element is remaining now? 2 elements. 10 is over. 20 means it will come on the right side because it is greater. Okay. Then here 3 comma 4. So 3 comma 4. value is 3, but the root node is 4 here. 4 means 40. So just substitute, this is the optimal binary search tree.